Hello everyone, today I will show you how to edit or change page transition in a PDF file using Foxit PDF Editor. Open one PDF file and I will check this PDF file page transition, and this right and bottom corner here you will find this full screen mode. Click here and see this PDF file have page transition and press escape. Now click on this view option and here you will find this paste transition option. Select here and this transition you can change it. I'll make it uncover and direction right down and so I'll apply all of these pages. Now select OK and go full screen mode here. This right bottom corner and see this and press arrow right arrow from your keyboard and see this. Press transition now. Edit. Again go. Also make it cover all page. Left. Select OK. And see this. Yeah, this is. And finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.